BAGSMART reached out to the Fox Gadget team to try out their new Blast series. So today we're spending a full day with Daniela using two of their bags, the Blast Pro 38-liter travel backpack and the 43-liter roller backpack. We're starting at home, which is always the best place to really understand how a bag works. One of the strongest points of the Pro 38-liter is its smart organization system. It has a dedicated waterproof compartment just for toiletries that keeps liquids completely separated from the rest of your clothes. It also features a ventilated, stowable shoe compartment designed so dirty shoes don't touch clean clothes while still allowing air to circulate. On top of that, the internal compression straps are really useful. They let you expand the capacity from 28 liters all the way to 38 liters when you need more space, or compress the volume when you're traveling lighter. The exterior is made from upgraded water-repellent diamond ripstop nylon, which gives it a premium and durable feel. As Daniela packs, you can clearly see how the interior stays clean, organized, and easy to manage. Everything has its place, so you're not constantly digging through the bag later. It's the kind of organization you really appreciate when you're getting ready for a trip. Once everything is packed, we head out to the car. This is where the 43-liter roller starts to show its real advantage. It has a smooth and protective rolling system that feels very refined. The wheels are made of durable polyurethane, PU, specifically designed for smooth and stable rolling even on uneven surfaces. Combined with the two-section telescopic handle, it becomes very easy to maneuver, whether you're in a parking lot or dealing with rougher ground. When you need to switch to backpack mode, there's a concealable protective cover that completely hides the wheels so they don't dirty your clothes. Both bags are carry-on size. The Pro 38 liters expands to 38 liters while still fitting most airline carry-on requirements, and the 43-liter roller is also fully cabin-friendly. Next stop is the library. Daniela needs to get some focused work done before continuing the day. This is where the Pro 38 liters really shines in everyday use. The quick-access pocket design is extremely practical. The padded laptop compartment fits devices up to 15.6 inches and allows fast access without having to unpack the entire bag. The front and side pockets give you immediate access to essentials like headphones, sunglasses, or small cosmetics, so you never have to open the main compartment just for a quick item. There's also a side pocket that comfortably fits a water bottle up to 30 ounces, an umbrella, or even a small tripod, plus a hidden anti-theft pocket perfect for your passport or valuables. It's clearly designed for people who move between different locations and need their gear accessible at all times without wasting time searching. After working, we head over to the community clubhouse at Park at Camino. Here, the 43-liter roller feels especially practical and polished. You can roll it smoothly across the floor thanks to its durable PU wheels and telescopic handle. When you need to go up a few steps or walk a bit further, switching to backpack mode takes only a second, and the protective wheel cover keeps everything clean. The exterior is made of water-repellent ripstop nylon, so light rain or everyday city use isn't a problem. It's flexible enough for a full workday and still looks good in a more relaxed social setting. You can leave it next to you without it looking out of place. We wrap up the day at Craig Ranch Regional Park. This is where the Pro 38 liters feels the most natural. After carrying it from home to the car, through the library and the clubhouse, you really start to notice the comfort. The back panel is breathable, the shoulder straps are ergonomic and well padded, and the overall weight stays manageable. It only weighs around 1.2 kilograms, or about 2.6 pounds. The water-repellent diamond ripstop nylon also gives you real peace of mind for outdoor use. Even if there's a light rain or you're moving between different environments, the bag holds up without any issues. Spending a full day with both the Blast Pro 38-liter and the 43-liter roller, packing at home, loading the car, working from the library, relaxing at the clubhouse, and walking outdoors shows why BAGSMART calls the Blast series a smarter choice. They're well-organized, versatile, comfortable for long wear, and clearly built for how people actually travel and live day to day. If you're looking for bags that actually work in real situations, from packing at home, working on the go, and spending a day outdoors, the BAGSMART Blast Pro 38 liters and the 43-liter roller are definitely worth checking out. You'll find the links and the discount code in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.